that one works a treat. Well, I'm glad I could show you that one actually working, because I've been meaning for quite a while to show you that one going off. And got something in it, pheasant. One quick thing before anyone gets up in arms about it being the end of pheasant season and all that. Yeah, pheasant shooting season is finished, but just have you ever seen me kill a pheasant or do anything with one? No. So if you're trapping pheasants to move them off of some property, say for example you had an allotment and they was ruining it or something, then there's nothing wrong with that. You can't be killing them or keeping them if they don't belong to you or you haven't got permission. But no one's ever seen me do anything like that. I'm just saying, I'm bound to get the comments of, you know, it's out of season, blah blah blah. You know, just so you know. So anyway, yeah. So got one in that. The same area and the same bait. Now, in my opinion, I don't think bait is that important. I'm just using crushed up. It's like a cheaper version of Shreddy's cereal. As long as it's something edible and they can eat it and see it, seems to work. Seems to be, for me personally, it's the area. If you can figure out where they are and kind of where they're moving through and stopping in places, then you can definitely get them. Now I've noticed they kind of travel through, go to one area and stop, mingle around a bit, and later through the day they kind of travel round to another area, stop, mingle around a bit, and then they roost in the trees. So if I can get that trap there, you know, before the end of the day, or before they've got past it, it seems to just catch one every single time. I just wanted to also say thank you to everyone who's always comments. Now I haven't replied to any lately because I've been busy just doing other things. And one of the other things is writing a book again. And this time I'm writing a book, can you guess? Specifically about pheasant traps. So hopefully that should be done soon. Got plenty of decent pictures in it, drawn diagrams and all that. So yeah, I've got another book which I've also written. A new one I've done recently, but I forgot to actually say about it. It's been on Amazon, but I'll do a separate video about that. And I'll tell you all about it and show you it. But yeah, yes, I think as long as you can find out where these animals are, where pheasants are, bait's not important, but the area. And about the last 5 or 6 traps, whatever I've done, they've all been near enough in the exact same spot or round about that area, and I've caught pheasants within half an hour of putting them there. Knowing the right time and the right place is the thing, I think. Right, anyway, thanks a lot to everyone who's commented recently and on the last videos. Sorry I haven't replied. I'll see if I can get round to it, but once I've left it about 3 days, the list is so massive to try and reply to everyone, because you think I've got over 1,200 videos on YouTube, and I've been putting them out, you know, a lot recently. So in a week you've got 7, and then that's 7 massive loads of comments per video. And if you leave it a few days, it's hard to catch up with them. But I really do appreciate everyone who does comment, you know what I mean? Right, so that's pretty much that. Right, cheers for watching. See you later.